Hi everyone, my name is Gladys Di Maala and I'm here to discuss about the college adjustment scale. Major life events can affect all the aspects of one's functioning, including moods, eating habits, physical health, motivation levels, social behavior, and even views about oneself. What is unclear is whether individuals can voluntarily alter their approaches to life events and thereby reduce their deleterious effects. When we say deleterious, causing harm. The implications of personality, stage, and inhibition confrontation models for accelerating the coping processes in relation to college adjustment in freshmen is what the college adjustment scale measures, or college adjustment test measures. As we all know, transition from high school to college involves significant social and psychological change. Kasi bagong teachers, bagong ideas, bagong friends. Saka, ano din siya, nagre-require din siya ng, new, new personal and social demands. Kasi, tapos marami ding opportunities. Adjustment refers to balance or harmony between the demands made on the organism by the environment and the organism functioning to deal with such demand. Pursuing college education requires adjustment on the part of all the students through the type of the degree of adjustment experienced by each student will vary depending on the backgrounds, experience, and prior schooling. Ang purpose ng college adjustment test is it identifies the psychological and adjustment problems experienced by college student. Ang format niya is paper and pencil. Age range is 17 to 30 years old. Tapos yung time na binibigay is 15 to 20 minutes. Yung administration is pwede siya sa individual and group. Yan, Yan. Tapos, ang college adjustment scale it is a 108 item rating scale designed to identify college students who are experiencing psychological and adjustment problems. It screens the problem frequently experienced by the college students. And also, it is an inventory for use by professionals who provide counseling services to college students, kaya siya college adjustment skills or college adjustment test. College adjustment scale or test was developed to provide a rapid method of screening college counseling clients for common development like psychological problems. Based on analysis of presenting problems in college counseling center, the CAS or the college adjustment scales provide measures of psychological distress, relationship conflicts, low self-esteem, and academic as well as the career choice difficulties. It includes 9 scales: anxiety, depression, suicidal ideation, substance abuse, self-esteem problems, interpersonal problems, family problems, academic problems, and career problems. Career problems. Yung under ng anxiety is yung yung measures of clinical anxiety focus on common affective, cognitive, and psychological symptoms. Kapag naman, yung under naman siya ng depression, clinical depression, and nag-focus sa common affective, cognitive, and psychological symptoms. Pag suicidal ideation naman, it measured the extent of ideation reflecting suicide, including the thoughts of suicide, hopelessness, and resignation. Next is substance abuse. Measures of extent of disruptions of interpersonal, social, and academic as well as vocational functioning as a result of substance use and abuse. Next, self-esteem problems. Kapag self-esteem problems, it measures the global self-esteem with TOPS negative self-evaluation, dissatisfaction with personal achievements. Pag sinabi namang interpersonal problems, it measures the extent of problems relating to others in the campus environment. Next is this one, family problems. A family problems measures the difficulties experienced in relationship with family members. Next is academic problems, measure the extent of problems related to academic performance. Pagka naman career problems, yung problems related to career choice. In summary, ang CAT or a college adjustment test or scales screens the problem frequently experienced by college students. It is a rapid method of screening college counseling clients for common developmental and psychological problems. It is also provide psychological measures of psychological distress, relationship conflicts, low self-esteem, and academic, as well as career choice difficulties. Ang purpose niya is to identify psychological and adjustment problems experienced by college students. Format is paper and pencil. Age range is 17 to 30 years old and time is 15 to 20 minutes. And ito po yung mga references na ginamit ko po. Kung saan ko nakuha po yung mga information. That's it for today. Thank you for listening.